All right. Yeah, I'm sorry I had to go, but they ain't want me recording. But I finally got my Toyota back. Yeah, I'm so happy I got it back now. I got my Toyota back. We gotta go change the tires though. We need new tires, y'all. But I'm so happy my Toyota's finally done. So I gotta drop back off my Jeep this weekend. He said it'd take like 2-3 hours. Plus, you gotta do an oil change and all that. So, it's 3 hours at the max. So, yeah. Right back. Ain't that right?
I know, my homeboy, my Zoe homeboy taught me that. Now I do know how to change the oil. I didn't need to know where that bitch was at up under there. That bitch that bit easy to get to.
You gotta replace this stuff right here. He said.
Spark plugs and all that. I don't know how to do.
Yeah, he gotta change all this. That's why he needed back. But as long as this thing ain't gone for no whole day, I'm okay.
You gotta let some of that oil out.
Put too much oil.
This the tank right here.
Put too much oil.
Tank, it hold up to 6 quarts. Yeah, the tank right here. That bitch full of oil. It ain't that hot either. You don't want to touch that when it's hot. Like that oil hot as fuck. You gotta let the car sit. It been sitting long enough, so he gonna unscrew that thing. That bitch gonna come out pouring. It's just how you gonna plug that bitch back up. That's what I want to see. How you gonna plug that bitch back up when you
Yeah, I love my Jeep. I don't know why you doing that. You gotta cover it up. Yeah, listen.
That's old oil, black. Yeah.
I think there was more than like anticipated.
Yeah, I put the whole 5 quart. I went down auto part and got the I looked at it, the 20W, and I pulled the whole 5 quart thing. It said hold up to 6 with this engine. The 2.4 hold up to 6 quart. But I pulled the whole 5 one in there. That bitch full of goddamn oil. That's gonna be good. That's the whole problem.
No, I'm going to just do the oil change.
Okay.
Yeah. So the oil's too black.
That bitch black. That's how that bitch was looking on that stick. It was thick though. That's why I was telling her it was good because it was thick. I was like, but it was real black when I wiped it. But when I seen that percentage, I'm
That should
like,
have been
damn.
enough in there, but oh shit. Gotta try to carry that without splitting it.
Be careful. There you go. So he just gonna go ahead and do the oil change now, and I guess replace everything once I come back that day. He got to. He gonna change it. Yeah, I'm trying to get everything done so I don't gotta worry about these cars. Like, I don't spend so much money just on this Toyota itself. Like, for real, y'all. I ain't bullshipping. Just alone on this Toyota. Y'all don't understand. Alone on this Toyota was a lot. Just can't wait till I'm done. Get my hard tags. And I finally be done, y'all. I can just live and do the stuff I want to do. But I can't do it because I got to get my cars fixed. The house fixed, cars. And then after the cars, I'm done. Oh, that is black.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, y'all, he's great. I mean, it's a one-stop shop here. Get everything fixed here. Let me put that near. What that near for? Y'all, wait a minute. I got them pads in my purse, the antibacterial, and I gotta find a Neosporin. Y'all, wait a second. I put the Neosporin in the car. I'm gonna go get it real quick. You're gonna have to use the bottom to wrap it. Go from the bottom to the top 30. Let me go get the Neosporin. Y'all, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm trying to do everything. Lord help me. Where you at? Come on. Why you still getting down there? Don't use your dirty hand. All right, wait. Don't use your hands. I'm gonna rewrap it that way. Wait a second.
Yeah, yesterday taking the couch out the old couch, putting in the new couch, and letting that bitch slide down the stairs. When I let that bitch go, it's a nail at the bottom of the couch. That bitch went right in my fucking hand and still went down the stairs. That bitch was I was hoping that damn nail wasn't rusty. But I sure ain't go to the doctor. That bitch was bleeding like a motherfucker. Always fuck my hand up, bro. Every time, even when I was looking at people, every time I cut, we go, don't hit that.
Shit.
Okay?
Yeah. Oh, Lord, y'all. That would have been a big accident. Jesus. Ooh.
That was accident, dog.
That's what I just said.
Crazy, yeah.
Ooh, Lord have mercy. I'm going to stay from over there.
Yeah. I pick your feet up.
Yeah. Oh, believe me, dog. That car is good on gas, but I'm like,
You don't like it? Why?
it's really good on gas.
Why you don't like it?
It's a Mustang.
Oh, you don't like Mustang?
Dog,
That's nice.
I spent so much money in that car. It's like selling it. I feel like that's why I still have it.
Yeah, you might want to keep it.
Yeah, when you spend too much on something, sometimes when I bought it, had 40,000 miles on it. And then my nephew, the one that's driving it right now, he let somebody borrow that they go wrecked it. So I had to buy the part to get it fixed it. And then after that again, somebody wrecked it.
You might want to keep that. That's a lot of money when you have it.
Yeah, I'm thinking that person that wrecked it talking about, oh, he's gonna make his mom buy it from us so he doesn't pay for it. That never happened until he got locked up and now we get it. So slowly and slowly, the parts are so expensive. You know, the parts are basically more expensive than the Benz part. I was like, yo, when I went to order for the front bumper, they were talking about like $1,300. I'm like, what? I don't have a Benz. I don't have a 5.0. I said I have a regular Mustang. Talking about, your price under your account is $1,200. I'm like, yo, I'm not paying that.
It look like that Shelby on going to 57.
Oh, them things nice.
Yeah, video right. I just don't like because it's too low. I ain't listen up there, 15 back seat.
You know, there was really a lot of oil in there. A lot of oil. I need my rag.
Well, the new oil I poured in mixed with that other oil, it's black as fuck. You know, put the strips on. Put the thing back and just pour the oil in there. That's the two back there. This money forever though. Like, this is good professional mechanic, like hair, like they do hair, like shit like this. People gonna always, you know, this is definitely a good job. That mechanic. Well, I wish I knew how to fix cars, bro. This is a good profession. I know Stephon make a lot of money. You know, Stephon. That bit right here. You took the key to go back upstairs, man.
It's in there somewhere. Alright, y'all, our next step is going to get these cars detailed and cleaned and tires for the Toyota.
Well, I know this is good profession. When you took up this in school, huh? Your car? You took an auto mechanic in school?
I was doing it before I went to school.
Yeah, this is a good profession, boy. Big on always need mechanics. You know, you get money all the time, bro.
The cool part, send me the lot number. Where I put my little rack? It's in our rack.
The rag?
Yeah.
I think you brought it back out.
No.
Let me see the rag.
Where about that
Is it
one
in your
so I can
pocket,
check it?
baby? No.
No, I put it in my pocket. Oh, I did. I dropped it right. Send me the lot number. I'll check it for you. Ah, damn. Son of a gun.
Are you going across the street? You jumping across the street?
Oh, come on. That happened? That city would be. Oh.
I'll be all on you about that.
She got me bug again.
No,
my
it's
face.
not on you. It's not on you. It's on top of the car. All right, y'all. I'll be back once we go get the tires and stuff. Okay.